Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you have read by the title, this video is going to be a book haul video. So I ordered books from two different websites. One is booksafari.in something and the second one is Musafir bookshop, your bookstop. Bookstop share. Yeah. So I just received my package from booksafari.in. So I have like no patience, so I can't wait for the second parcel to arrive. So I'm going to do this book haul, and when that parcel will arrive, I'll make another video. Then I'll combine both of these videos. So let's start. That they will give me these bookmarks. I got 4 bookmarks. Nice. Finally, I don't have to use this bookmark anymore. Now let's talk about what are the books that I received. Okay, so the first one is Archer's Voice. Okay, so basically, as far as I know, this book is about two people who already know each other. Maybe like, all I know that it's friends to lover books, and the guy in this book is mute. So yeah, that's all I know. I don't know anything else. The next one is, okay, finally guys, why do I feel like it's pirated? Oh gosh. Okay, so the next one is The Bodyguard by Catherine Center. Next book is My Roommate is a Vampire. It's a fantasy obviously, and I have no idea about this book, like literally no idea. And I was going through their website, I came across this one and I thought the cover is really good, so I thought why not buy it, and I did. Yeah, and the text is cool, not bad, which is good. The last book of this haul is Powerless. I have heard so much good things about this one and I'm so excited to read it. I'll be back. I'll see you when I receive another package from Musafir Bookstop. Bye bye. Hi guys, so the thing is I sort of actually lost the footage of me talking to you guys about the packaging of my parcel. So I'll tell you what the situation was that time. Basically the packaging was really bad. I was not expecting it to be that bad. I'll play the clip of me opening the package and everything so that you might get an idea of what I'm talking about. Now the second thing is I placed the order at the end of July, if I remember correctly, and all I know is that I received the package after 2 weeks, which is 14 days, and it is kind of a lot. So yeah, the service wise it was not that good, but I might consider buying from them again because I just wanna make sure that I'm not making a wrong decision, or maybe it was just this time, maybe it will not happen again. So yeah, I'm just hoping for the best, so I might order from their website again. Yeah, that's it. Hi you all, so I just showed you how terrible the packaging was and everything, and now I'm going to show you what all the books that I received from Musafir Bookstop. So the first book is Bride by Ali Hazelwood. This is my first ever Ali Hazelwood book. I know mostly people read The Love Hypothesis as their first read, but I am special. I chose Bride to be my first Ali Hazelwood book. The second one is The Inheritance Games by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. I am so excited to read this particular book. I have heard so many great things about this one. My Instagram, my YouTube, shorts, reels, everything is filled with this book. Yeah, the next book is Better Than the Movies by Lynn Painter. I am so excited again. I've heard so many people talk about how this book is a Taylor Swift romance read. So the next book is Happy Place by Emily Henry, my first ever Emily Henry book. Again, just like Bride, I chose this one to be my first Emily Henry book. Most people read People We Met on Vacation and that one, Beach Read. Next book is Variety by Colleen Hoover. I'm excited and I'm going to read it when everyone is asleep so I can get scared. Yeah, next book is The Sweetest Oblivion. All I know is that it's a mafia romance. That's it. That's it for the book haul. I got I got like 10 or 11 books, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this book haul video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe to my channel below. Bye bye.